Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soft, chewy candy, easy method. Start by gathering sugar, corn syrup, butter, cream, and a reliable candy thermometer, then prep a shallow pan with parchment. Measure ingredients accurately and have a spatula ready. Heat slowly to dissolve sugar, then boil to the target temperature while stirring gently. Cool and beat to texture, then cut and store in an airtight container for lasting softness. In this video, I will show how to make soft, chewy candy, easy method. Measure your sugar, corn syrup, cream, butter, and any flavorings before you begin so you can work smoothly. Use a candy thermometer for accuracy to hit the chew temperature window. Keep a bowl of cold water nearby to test threads if needed. Prepare your pan with parchment or silicone for easy release when the candy cools and sets. In this video, I will show how to make soft, chewy candy, easy method. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation, perfect for catching stray sugar and crumbs after candy making. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make soft, chewy candy, easy method. Begin by boiling the sugar and corn syrup gently until the thermometer reaches the desired temperature, then remove from heat and carefully incorporate butter and cream. Let the mixture cool just enough to hold its shape, then stir or beat to develop a tender, chewy texture. Promptly transfer to a lined pan, score if desired, and cool completely before cutting into pieces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.